cocktail. What are you doing, Michael? What's his name?
Mom.
Get out there, Titi. Whoa, boy.
Linda,
Linda. Listen.
Okay, what?
Like everything they do at this house, you can't touch everything at Grandma's house.
Okay.
Okay, then what?
Samaj,
Ma'am,
what are you doing?
wash the dishes. Are you taking a picture of me?
I'm not taking a picture of you, but you making a mess. You got water everywhere.
You got shoes on, though?
I got shoes on though. What that mean?
So, go there and clean up. Ah! Oh! Ouch! Ouch! Ouch, Charlie! Ow! Charlie! That really hurt! Charlie bit me. Fuck off, you fat pig.
You don't need coffee.
I need coffee. I need coffee. What the fuck? Shit. God damn it. Daddy finger, where
Let me get out of the way.
are you? Where are you?